The Pixel 10 series is shaping up to be one of the most exciting smartphone launches of the year. And things just got a whole lot more real, literally. Google hasn't even officially confirmed the lineup yet, but the leaks are already in overdrive. And now, what looks like real-world photos of the Pixel 10 Pro have hit the internet. This could be our first actual look at the device before launch. So here's what went down. A listing popped up on China's Xianyu auction platform, kind of like their version of eBay, and it featured a Pixel 10 Pro motherboard. But the real kicker? The seller didn't just post the part. They also uploaded multiple photos of the phone itself. According to the listing, both the motherboard and the phone are engineering prototypes, specifically at the EVT engineering validation test stage, which is one of the earliest steps in hardware testing. Now, here's where things get even more interesting. The phone shown in the images features a weird pattern back cover, and if you follow Pixel leaks, you know what that means. Google often adds strange geometric designs to its prototype units to help spot leaks and identify devices during testing. This is a dead giveaway that we're looking at an early test unit, not a fan render or fake. In one of the leaked photos, the phone is shown in fast boot mode, and there's a sticker below the camera bar clearly labeled DVT that stands for Design Validation Test, which is just a step further in the prototyping phase. It's all lining up to suggest this is the real deal. Design-wise, the leaked device looks exactly like previously leaked renders. No surprises there. It's got the trademark Pixel aesthetic, complete with the wide horizontal camera bar. But if you look closely, you'll notice a periscope-style telephoto lens, which matches earlier rumors suggesting Google isn't done with high-end zoom capabilities on the Pro models. Now let's talk specs. The Pixel 10 series is rumored to debut with the Tensor G5 chip, and here's the headline: it's going to be the first Tensor chipset made by TSMC, not Samsung. And the base Pixel 10? It's not getting left behind. For the first time, leaks suggest the standard model will feature a triple rear camera setup, adding a telephoto lens to the mix. As for the launch date, all signs currently point to August 20th as the big reveal day for the Pixel 10 series. So what do you guys think about the upcoming Pixel 10 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.